Hey, look at this. It's the Steinway fridge. I don't think I've ever seen this one. Take what you need, share what you can. And this one has other information on it. There's the information on other food pantries, I guess. Yeah, looks like some frozen dinners. Huh, no, I've never seen this one until now.
No sé, no me dijo de cuánto era, pero al final
I actually saw something about this on TV recently. They've been printing these things out by the bucket load over the past 4 or 5 months. If you're illegal or even if you're not, these are your rights. The red card, it's called. You know, that last, the red card thing reminds me, earlier today I was at one of the little free libraries and I found this self-published zine by Grayson Eli, MPH. I don't know what MPH is, but it's a self-published zine about why you should get vaccinated. And whatever you think about vaccines and all that, I like seeing these independently produced things, and I tend to be on board with vaccinations. And every time I see something like this, I'm like, why am I not doing this? In fact, I did do stuff like this for a long time until all my printers died. To me, if you're going to do a zine, the real spirit of things is you print it yourself at home. Maybe that's being too dogmatic. I don't have a working printer at this time. But I should really be doing stuff like this. It seems so cliche, but I think I might start documenting all these the fading vestiges of the social distancing thing. I remember this smartsign.com really hit a gold mine with this stuff, or at least that was something that I heard somewhere, something I read on the internet. This is a place where distancing was not really part of the equation. This was a strip club. I think this was like an all-nude club, actually. And it was weird to see this place with all the doors open and all its regular customers standing around outside. You know, people don't go to these type of places to be seen. I mean, by the passing public. I guess no video from me is ever complete without some kind of a phone booth or some kind of public telephone. There's no phone in these. These are the mysteriously placed British phone boxes outside of the Kaufman Astoria studios. I actually attended a community board meeting where somebody from the studio was taken to task for these things having been put out here without any permissions. That's because this is a landmark property, and I think you're supposed to get some kind of approval for putting shit like this out in your front yard. All 4 of these used to be out here on this where these 2 are, I guess with the scaffolding, they had to move these two inside or off to the side. I haven't been out here after dark in a long time, but they used to, after dark, there would be a light show, sort of a little bit of a light show from inside of each of these boxes. I don't know if they still do that now that they've moved these ones over. This used to be the home of WFAN, the all sports radio station. But they moved out. They always said this place was a dump.